Again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, and that is my last 14 by 14 inch canvas, my OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula, a couple of pieces of acetate with rounded ends that are triangular. I also have some of my little tools, and you can find the video where I make the tools if you search tools in the box. That looks like it's got a little bit of schmutz on it, but at least it's on the right side. So my plan is to give myself a little bit of paint in the corners and do some sort of flower burst swipe. And I've got my small OXO omelet turning spatula for just that. I don't need a super copious amount of paint, but I do need my bottles out of the way so I can turn my turntable. That's irritating. Evidently the canvas is just a tad unlevel. I would like that to cover. I did cover the edges of my canvas by adding one little tiny bead of paint. It's Meeden paint, which covers amazingly well, Meeden black at least. I probably could have done this part too. It occurs to me. Come on. It's just taking too long. I'm not the most patient person, I guess. I just as soon not have you zoom ahead, but that's par for the course with the videos. So I'm just going to keep moving that black in little by little as far as it will go. And then I'm going to grab some of my Anita's white metallic right after I touch up any of those missing areas. They're all pretty well covered. That's good. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with the center of this, but I am pretty sure I'm going to try and take advantage of my turntable today and turn it. Until I cover most of that naked canvas, even if it gets schmutzy. I think that is telling me that I should put a little more paint right there. I've seen paintings like this before. It occurs to me I might like one. If I have any wall space left, I can see that as like a 3 foot by 3 foot. Alright, so now the choices are how to put my colors down. And I have a little more paint here. And I think I'm going to give myself a little more still. I'm just going to wipe off the black off the tip of that. Not that it's really going to make any difference because I'm actually going to be using black as a swipe color, but I want sort of a copious, well, I want a layer of paint. I don't want a super skinny layer, but I don't want a super heavy layer either. And now it is time to throw those in the bucket, I think. I should have pulled my tile out. Excuse me while I pull my old tile out. I left my studio in a hurry last night. It was dinner time. So I'm going to start with the colors I really want to see the most. And then I think I'm probably going to go in the opposite direction with my swipe. That was my plan earlier. I don't think there's any rhyme or reason to how I'm going to do this. I wanted to put dots in, but it takes such an awful long time to do that. Now I just ordered some more Arteza Golden Hour, which is a color that I love. And it's metallic or pearl. I'm just trying to fill in a little bit, somewhat evenly. This is a fluorescent or a neon pink from Folk Art. I'd like to have some reds. I never use this magenta, So I'm thinking I ought to at least give it a shot. I broke myself of the habit of picking it up right after I figured out it was like $30 for 4 ounces. Alright, so what now? I've got another magenta color, and I just shook that up. I'm getting less careful. I have an Arteza purple. Do I want to use that? No, I want to use my color shifting purple from Folk Art. This reminds me of something I just did actually, and I don't mind if that's the way it works. That's fine. Then I'm going to use the gold, which I'd really rather cross over, but I think this is going to be fine. I was going to go from the inside out, and I can do that. I want one more color, and that color would be the copper? No. There it is. That's the color shifting red from Folk Art. Don't ask me what I just did. Now if I wanted a darker color, I should put it in, but the truth is that I think that the black will do what it's supposed to do. Now if I was going to go from the outside in, I would have a big puddle in the center, which is what happened to me the last time I tried to do this. I've got some Amsterdam black and a plug at the top of my bottle, just a little one. Peel that paint away and hopefully pull some of that out. Alright, I would like to use one of the cards that I cut. And I said I was going to go the opposite direction. I'm going to scrape it off, trying to use the same amount of paint on both sides. Follow the same curve. Split the difference. And then I might come back and use my super small tools. That was convenient. I was just turning. Or what else could I use? I have a little tiny round one. I think I'll try it. That worked out okay. Maybe even perfectly. Basically, I just want to cover up any little bits of canvas that are showing, but it could have been nice to leave something behind, I suppose, too. Got beautiful colors in my dish. Got smaller tools, so I can probably go back and fill in. I might do something like the basting brush too. This is obviously going to be my 4th of July fireworks burst. I've just decided. I want to just use the paint that's there, but now how far do I go? Can I just drag the edge? think I can. And more than once. Just use the edge of the little tool to see and fill in. There's a few keyholes left, and I like that. I always like that. Fireworks display. Excellent. So I love you guys. There's over 93,000 of you subscribed, and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. We'd love to have you. And if you are subscribed, thank you for being here. And if you're a new subscriber, please be welcomed. If you ever need a video, I'm your girl. I got everything saved on playlists by the 100, by the topic and genre. And I can find things pretty quick. If you're ever looking for a video, use the hashtag. Or if you're looking for a piece of art from a video, use the hashtag in the title. I run a monthly drawing to support the production of videos at the studio, because I am not the most popular dominating artist. That's pretty cool. What do I do with that center? I think I will grab a skewer, give myself a little tiny I kind of want to blow into that. I kind of want to put some black paint down in there and blow into it. But I might want to use a bright color like where's my hot orchid? I don't believe I didn't even use any hot orchid. So let's grab a little bit of that paint and do a little bloom in the center because I can. I'd really rather have it look like fireworks than a flower, but I'll take what I can get at this point. Oh, I can drag some of the colors back in too. That's cool. So I just have this little tiny explosion in the center, which is really what I wanted anyway. But I've got a little tiny button bloom in the center, which probably should have been gold, but I thought it might be orange. Anyway, so that's it for me, I think. You know, I know everybody in the audience who knows me is going, nah, probably not. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Make sure you know I have over 2,000 videos. If you need something, just ask. I think I mentioned that. My link tree is the first blue link under the video, and you can find a whole lot of links in there. I have the end of a skewer, and if I see any gaps, kind of didn't mind some of the white gaps, but I don't want any of the canvas. Not that I'm going to know the difference tomorrow when it dries at all. But I am just going to scrape through a few places that look like they need it. Alright, I'm pretty happy with this, and if I'm not completely happy with a little spot, I'll probably fix it. Like so. And I have plenty of paint in my little scrape dish if I want to fix my edges, which I may or may not do. There we go. I like it. These are some of my favorite colors. And I love you guys. I want you to take care of each other, take care of yourselves too. If I said that already, forgive me, because I'm definitely distracted by the pretty picture. Alright, so thank you for all the wonderful comments. And I'm going to zoom in so we can see some of those really pretty cells. I wish my exposure was working well. That's a nice center. I like that center. It's really simple. Great colors. Definitely the fireworks explosion I was I had in the back of my mind that I forgot about until I'd made the painting. So look on the end screen video, the last 20 seconds, and you'll find the exhibition video for this month. And at the beginning of that video, you'll find the prizes for the monthly drawing. And if you contribute through PayPal or Patreon, you will be automatically entered in that drawing. And the paintings are usually you have a bunch of choices. Let's put it that way. I'm tripping over my tongue. Thank you for your wonderful comments. Thank you for your donations. Thank you for keeping my morale boosted. Check out the community board on my YouTube channel banner. Excuse me, I'm all over the place. YouTube channel for tomorrow's video. And Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group is a Facebook group along with others on the link tree. And that's another place, as well as the other Facebook groups, where you'll probably find tomorrow's video. If you need my email address, click Show More, and under Show More you'll find my paint pouring recipe, but the email address is the first one right under the link tree. My paint pouring recipe is also under Show More, and my cell activator recipe also. I love you guys. I love this. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. I say goodbye for now. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, reminding you I post 7 days a week, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday night at 10 p.m. and I sell my artwork, and when I do, it helps keep me making videos. So thank you very much to those of you who have been helping by collecting my art. Please share and like and give me thumbs up and watch longer. All those things are really valuable to me. I appreciate you guys endlessly. Bye for now. Priscilla out. Sorry about being so clumsy.